sometimes you need to clear your throat because sometimes it's harder to talk, you know, than to sing or dance or whatever. But I'm here today joining you today because there is a topic of interest that I was intrigued about because my curls right now, all right, they need a little bit of a refresh. As you can see, there are some frizzy parts that need help. So I thought, why not try refreshing my curls today with a hair straightener? Very intriguing because I never use a hair straightener to refresh my curls. There are many different methods that I do use, but I just felt like being spontaneous today and trying something totally new. So we're gonna start on this journey together, trying to figure out how to use a hair straightener to refresh the curl. We're gonna start with our hair clips and, of course, parting the hair. With hair straightener, we want to use a thermal shield. This is Cantu Shea Butter, which I personally like for my hair. And you could spray it, but I'm just gonna put it in my hands because I don't want it to get all over the place. Just put it exactly where I want to put it. So we got that. Now I'm plugging in the hair straightener. It is warming up. And this is really cute. It has rhinestones on it. I don't know where it's from, but it's just really cute. I really like it. So while that's heating up, we're gonna heat up with some salsa dancing. All right, so why not, right? You got some extra time. Doesn't hurt to get moving a little bit. So the easiest way that I envision this working is to treat it like it's a ribbon. You know how the ribbons, when we wrap presents and stuff, you strip the ribbon and it creates a curl? We're going to basically try the same thing right here. So I'm gonna give myself some room over here. We're gonna start here and just go and see if that works. That did not work. Let's try it again. Oh! Did you see that? That worked. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. We take this and we have to just kind of go we have a winner. For that. We did it. So, oh look, see, like it's like kind of like ringlet-y, just like my curls. This is such a win-win. Win-win. All right, so that's how we're gonna do it. It is a winner. All right. So we are going to do it again with something else that looks like it needs a little bit of help. Let's try this because it's this tiny one, but I want to do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So, just to let you know, I am an entertainer, if you haven't figured that out already. you just gotta go with the flow. Life is more fun that way sometimes. All right, let's try this again. The tiny one. I love how, you know, I had those frizzy areas that now they look so nice and together. See, there's still the frizzes here. I'm just gonna do it. I know I'm being a little picky, but let's just do it. I get really excited, I know. So we got those, looking good. I love how clean, it's just such a clean look. So it's just so nice to see that we have discovered, together we have discovered a new way of doing something. That is just so, that is like music to my ears. It helps if you kind of shake it out. There, pretty. Shaking it out kind of tells the hair, okay, I see what you want me to do. We are parting the hair. So I like to entertain. It is my joy. It is my joy to sing, to dance, to act, to just create. I love it. And you know what? I think finding your joy and doing it is such a blessing. And I really hope that you're creating a lot of joy in your life too. So the biggest takeaway is to angle it, place the hair up, don't press on it so much, it's just a little bit, and then you're focusing on twirling it, bringing it down. And you can even do it loosely, not too tight. You don't want to burn hair. So we're just gonna go down like this. There we go. There we go. Very nice. Curled, pretty, refreshed. That's what we want.
Let's summarize the steps. First, section your hair, brush your hair, apply heat protectant, let it dry, angle hair straightener down, and twirl it down your hair. Shake, curl as desired.
So you see how frizzy it was before, but now it looks a lot more gathered, a lot more refreshed, a lot more sophisticated. So I love how sophisticated my hair looks because, you know, all the frizz is calmed down and put back together into a lovely curl. So I do like this. Was it more difficult than other methods? I think that it kind of was, because there are a lot more efficient ways to refreshing the curl. But I did like the spontaneity and the novelty of trying a brand new method. It is effective, it just depends on what you're comfortable with. And I do notice with the flat iron, again, it is a flat iron for a reason. For a reason, because it is clearly flat. No matter how much you're gonna turn it around, it is going to create more angular type of patterning. The question now is, do I do this again? Do I refresh my curls again with this method? Well, I think that it depends, because overall the type of ringlet, as you saw, was a little different. It was a softer type of a ringlet, very soft type. It's not as, I'm trying to pull up my natural hair that we didn't use. You see how this is more bouncy. So it didn't provide as much bounce as I would like, but it totally makes sense. Why? Because of the way we did it. It was a soft technique. So it just depends on the look that you're going for. If you want a softer type of a look that still forms that nice, beautiful ringlet, then I would definitely recommend this technique. And there are other techniques out there to refresh curls and to create curls, which we could talk about. I'm happy with results. I hope that you're happy with your results. I'm so thankful that you have joined me today. It has been great. And of course, it's always a journey. We're always looking for enhancing our methods and finding new ways to do things and making them better. So thank you so much. I'm super excited that you shared this time with me. And until next time, peace out.